Okay, good morning. Today we will discuss about solar drying technologies for agro-industrial application. Because for safe storage of fruits and vegetables or medicinal plants, because they have the value products for safe storage without damage. We want to store. One of the best option is drying is the best option, or some other storage methods also there. Today we will discuss thoroughly about solar drying options. First of all, what are the methods of safe storage is there? First method, canning, means heating the product to 120 to 140 degrees temperature. Then store the oil in aluminum foil sheets. You can store the product. But the nutrient loss will take so 60 to 80% of the nutrient loss will occur if you are heating the product up to 60 to 80 or freezing cold chain by the cold storages. If you are storing water, because of water logging and rupturing of the cells, uh, loss of the nutrients will take place 40 to 60%. Next option, drying or industrial dehydrating. Industrial dehydrating, what we are doing in moderate temperatures, we are creating by using of the biomass or by using of the gas burning or by using of the electrical heaters. There is the loss of nutrients will occur 5 to 15%. But solar drying option is coming to the picture. So low temperatures below 60 to 70 degrees only, and gentle airflow. The nutrient loss is 3 to 5%. 3 to 5%. So the best method for safe storage of the all types of the produce, agriculture produce, maybe solar drying is the best option. So first of all, what is drying? In drying, what are the stages of drying? First, drying means removal of the moisture from the produce. We want to eliminate or reduce the enzyme activity. Then we can store the product safely. Long run storage will occur. How we are removing the moisture means, first surface moisture we can remove easily by flowing of the air. So air have moderate temperature and low relative humidity. Moisture in the air is less, then automatically it will absorb by the flowing of the air. It will absorb the surface moisture. Upon the surface, whatever the moisture is there, that will remove. But next, remaining bonded moisture inside the agriculture produce or any material agriculture produce, the bonded moisture for removing is the major task. What we are doing, by capillary reaction, we are bringing first bonded moisture to the surface, then after removing the bonded moisture. So removal of the bonded moisture only main time consuming and engineering concept is coming to the picture. At that time, while bringing the bonded moisture from the body to the surface, it will take time. At that time, there is no use of every time fresh air is not required. Recirculation of the air will take place. Industrial drying, they are doing that one only. So drying means removal of the surface moisture, and second, bringing the bonded moisture to the surface and removal of the bonded moisture. So here, heat and mass transfer is the major criteria, because heat transfer is required and mass also it has to absorb. So, major designing parameters are temperature, any type, it may be solar, it may be other. One is temperature, because product to product temperature is changing. The bringing of the bonded moisture to the surface, suppose onion I consider 70 degrees is required, tomato I consider 40 degrees is required, and duration of the time, suppose tomato 50 degrees of time, 50 degrees temperature, what is the removal, the bringing time, bonded moisture to the surface, that is important. So temperature, relative humidity, the moisture content of the air, The if air moisture content is changing, then mass flow rate of the air we want to change. High relative humidity air we are using means more mass flow rate of the air is required, more heat absorption is there, more energy input is required. Suppose low relative humidity of the air, like dry places like Rayalaseema or in Hyderabad or in Bengaluru, some cities, there we can use less mass flow rate of the air and investment cost is reduced. So there is no fixed dryer. Next, what type of the products means grains, vegetables, fruits, and food products, fish, processing items of milk products we can do by the solar drying. And in the chemical industry also, disposable of the waste. We are capable to remove the moisture, then disposable load drastically we can reduce. That is very important. Or removal of the chemicals from the waste of the chemical industry. That is also one of the best option of the solar dry. So different dryers we will discuss. So technique application we will discuss. Different dryers developed in this is developed in our institute only, RGM only, for targeted customers. Suppose for household utilities, this portable dryer you can see. I already mentioned relative humidity, air circulation and temperature. UV protected sheet we are placing upon the dryer sheet. So UV rays we can filter. Then heating of the dryer cabin will take place. For air movement, because once moisture air is absorbed moisture, we want to replace that air with the fresh air. Then we are using solar PV panels. Then by using that PV output we can run the BLDC fan. Every time air replacement, fresh charge, every time it circulate inside the chamber. So based on the relative humidity, air velocity we can change. So this one dry area application we developed. So minimum air velocity we can remove the moisture. 5 to 6 kgs loading means portable dryer for household utility purpose. Targeted dryers, I will explain some more dryers also. One more dryer. It is developed in Rajasthan, Udaipur, Maharana Pratap Agriculture University R&D team. This is tunnel dryer. Means the product value means removal time is not a constraint. Within 1 day we want to dry means in tunnel dryer it is not possible. But for 4 days, 5 days there is no issue for especially cotton drying, general granules drying or red chili drying. Based on the investment cost also, same UV protected sheet only, but large capacity. Here also we are placing a chimney type structure or some exhaust gas. If sufficient temperature is not coming, then separate air heater collectors we are connecting to the tunnel. Tonnage of loading is there. With low investment cost, I want to dry them in solar tunnel dryer is the best option. Next, if product have medicinal values, suppose medicinal and aromatic plants drying purpose. So there it is a cabinet dryer. Somewhat it is a costly one. Why? Because each it is connected solar air heater separate, heating of the air, and the dryer cabin is separate. So it is not exposed to the UV rays. So high product dried value have high product cost. Then we are moving to the solar cabinet type dryer. This hot air only circulating in the dryer cabin. This one also large capacity, 100 kgs, 200 kgs, 300 up to 500 kgs loading capacity we can develop, but unit cost is high. So because here I will show some figures of this system. Solar air heaters connected series and parallel according to them. Blower is connected by using the blower, air circulation in the cabin. Inside the cabin, drying product is placed. It is not directly exposed to the sun. So investment cost, you are ready to invest more cost than we will do. Next, I already mentioned in this all systems we are not separated solar air heating and drying. For removal of the bonded moisture, it will take more time. At that time, there is no absorption of the moisture. So same air we can recirculate. But whatever the solar dryers we discussed there, that provision is not there. Why? Because solar heating and drying, they are not separated. In this system, what we did, solar energy absorption separate system, etc with heat based uh, solar collectors, their hot fluid generated, it is stored in storage tank, and dryer unit is separate. Whenever surface moisture is there, then automatically this oil directly circulated to dryer cabin, and heat removal will takes place by the circulation of the air. If bonded moisture I want to remove, then same air we can recirculate it in the dryer cabin. At that time hot fluid is not entering into the dryer cabin, it directly goes to the storage tank. So separation of the heating and drying is done in this one. This is for especially for industrial application. Solar based systems means maximum 500 kg loading capacity only is there, not tonnage. Tonnage means tunnel based system, low product value drying only. But high product value drying, for the application only we developed this one. You can see this is the solar collector system. Here we absorb the heat separately. Then blower system is there. Here damper unit is there. When I am removing the bonded moisture, then same air we can recirculate. We will close the exhaust and we will close the inlet, and same air we are recirculating. Once we will measure the relative humidity of the air, it is more than 60 or 70. Then again we will open the inlet and exhaust, and damper will close automatically. Fresh charge again enter into the system. So we can decrease the cost of drying for a industrial application point of view. So like this, so many types of the dryers are there in market. Some of the articles published, whatever the developed system, upon developed system. Move to execution point of view. I shown the different solar dryers. So for first of all, we want to identify the product. For that product, by using moisture analyzer, with the different temperatures, what is the removal of the water vapor in the product? Rate of removal, we will calculate different temperature ranges, and how the nutrient levels are maintained by using the moisture analyzer. So product is defined, some temperature is, some flow rate is required. Then we will collect the information of solar radiation of particular place where we want to design and develop and install the system, working system. We will collect the solar radiation and relative humidity of the air and wind velocity of the air, site visit. Then we will develop the report based on the customer investment cost and product, dried product value. If medicinal and ornamental plant, there is no issue, we can invest more money. Why? Because after drying, that product value is increasing. Or cotton or red chili means is not that much increasing, and investment cost also customer is not ready to invest, then tunnel type dryer is good. So based on the conditions only we can design the system. So I think for the designing of any product, design, development and erection, commissioning and operation maintenance of solar dryers, we are capable to do from Nandala or from Andhra Pradesh itself. Thank you. Thank you very much.